In order to install and use Choice Eliminator add-on to a Google form, if you have your form built and go to these little three dots on your form that say More, and you're going to go down to Add-ons. You're going to search for Choice Eliminator. The one you're going to want to choose is Choice Eliminator 2. And if you don't have it installed, you'll see the blue Free button right here, and you will click on it, and it will install Choice Eliminator 2 for you. Once you have that and you have your form open, it works on a multiple choice question. Once you have your multiple choice question built like you'd like it, if you go here to Add-ons and choose Choice Eliminator 2, then you're going to configure. It's going to open it up and it shows you the multiple choice question that you have. So you're going to click on that multiple choice question and you're going to click Eliminate Choices. You're going to go here to this little settings gear, and it will show you all of your options, and you decide how many you want of each. If I wanted to have 2 of the 8 o'clock times, 2 people that were able to come to 8 o'clock, I would put 2 here and then 1 on the rest. Whenever you get all your choices made, then you will close that and close your Choice Eliminator. And now when someone selects the 8 o'clock time, the next person that goes in there, if you only have 1 on each of these, will not even see that as an option. One thing that you need to know is after you have made Choice Eliminator, after you have configured your Choice Eliminator, you don't want to go in and add choices here. If you need to add choices, then you will go open up your Choice Eliminator. And once you go here to the little settings under that multiple choice, this little 3 bars here has a add choice, and you can add a choice in there. And once you add the choice there, it will show up on your form. So rather than adding it here on your form, you want to add your choices after you've started the Choice Eliminator through the little settings gear in Choice Eliminator.